Hello guys, in this video we will see Fortnite update error, fix, stuck on download or install. Here is the solution. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step will restart your system and network. Content a common first troubleshooting step for any software issue, including Fortnite update errors, is to perform a full system and network restart. Begin by completely closing the Epic Games launcher and Fortnite, then shut down your computer. While the computer is off, power cycle your network router and modem by unplugging them from the power outlet for at least seconds before plugging them back in. Once your network hardware has fully reconnected and your internet is active, restart your computer and attempt to launch the Epic Games launcher and resume the Fortnite update.
Step: verify game files through Epic Games Launcher. Content corrupted or missing game files are a frequent cause of download and installation issues. The Epic Games Launcher includes a built-in function to check the integrity of your installed game files. To use this, open the Epic Games Launcher, navigate to your library, find Fortnite, click the three dots icon next to it, and select Manage from the options that appear. Click Verify. The launcher will then scan all Fortnite game files and re-download any that are found to be corrupt or missing, which can often resolve update-related blocks.
Step: clear Epic Games Launcher. Webcache content. The Epic Games Launcher utilizes a web cache similar to a web browser, which can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with downloads or updates. Clearing this cache can resolve various launcher-related problems. To do this, fully close the Epic Games Launcher. Then press Windows key, rotate local app data without quotes, then press Enter, locate the Epic Games Launcher folder, open it, then navigate to save and delete the webcache folder. Alternatively, you might find cache files under Crash Report Client or Unreal Engine. If webcache is not present, delete relevant cache folders. Then restart the launcher and try the update again.
Step: we change your DNS settings. Content network connection issues, particularly with resolving content delivery network and addresses, can cause updates to stall. Changing your computer's DNS domain name system settings to a public reliable DNS server such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS can often bypass these network routing problems. To change DNS settings on Windows, go to Network and Internet Settings. Then Network and Sharing Center, click on your active connection. Select Properties, choose Internet Protocol version with the clip and click Properties again, and then select Use the following DNS server addresses to input new values: 8 and Bert for Google DNS or Google, and although for Cloudflare DNS. Apply changes, restart your computer, and test the update.
Step: perform a clean reinstallation of Fortnite content. If all other troubleshooting steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Fortnite is the most robust solution for persistent update or installation problems. This ensures all old, potentially corrupted files are removed and a fresh copy is downloaded. First, you'll install Fortnite through the Epic Games Launcher by going to your library, clicking the three dots next to Fortnite, and selecting Uninstall. After Uninstallation, manually check and delete any remaining Fortnite or Epic Games Launcher folders from your program files directory and update folders local remain. Finally, restart your computer, re-download the Epic Games Launcher installer if necessary, and then proceed to install Fortnite from scratch through the launcher.